Bharat Bright News, the English news channel, uncut and unrestricted.
सुप्रभात देवियों और सज्जनों, मैं कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी और मेरे साथ विंग कमांडर व्योमिका सिंह आज आपको 6 से 7 मई 2025 की रात 1:05 से 1:30 बजे के बीच भारतीय सशस्त्र बलों द्वारा अंजाम दिए गए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में जानकारी देंगे। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में हुए विभत्स आतंकवादी हमले के शिकार मासूम नागरिकों व उनके परिवारों को न्याय देने के लिए लॉन्च किया गया था। इस कार्रवाई में 9 टेररिस्ट कैंप्स को टारगेट किया गया और पूरी तरह से इसे बर्बाद किया गया। पाकिस्तान में पिछले 3 दशकों से टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का निर्माण हो रहा है। इसमें रिक्रूटमेंट, इंडोक्ट्रिनेशन सेंटर्स, ट्रेनिंग एरियाज व लॉन्च पैड शामिल थे, जो पाकिस्तान और पाक अधिकृत जम्मू कश्मीर POJK दोनों में फैले हैं। रीत के यह IB से 18 से 25 किलोमीटर दूरी पर है। 2008 के मुंबई हमले के आतंकी भी यहीं से प्रशिक्षित हुए थे। अजमल कसब व डेविड हेडली भी यहां ट्रेन हुए थे। मरकज सुभान अल्लाह भावलपुर ये इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री से 100 किलोमीटर दूर है। जैश ए मोहम्मद का मुख्यालय था। यहां पर रिक्रूटमेंट, ट्रेनिंग व इंडोक्ट्रिनेशन का केंद्र भी था। शीर्ष आतंकी अक्सर यहां आते थे। मैं कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी और मेरे साथ विंग कमांडर व्योमिका सिंह आज आपको 6 से 7 मई 2025 की रात 1:05 से 1:30 बजे के बीच भारतीय सशस्त्र बलों द्वारा अंजाम दिए गए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में जानकारी देंगे। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में हुए विभत्स आतंकवादी हमले के शिकार मासूम नागरिकों व उनके परिवारों को न्याय देने के लिए लॉन्च किया गया था। इस कार्रवाई में 9 टेररिस्ट कैंप्स को टारगेट किया गया और पूरी तरह से इसे बर्बाद किया गया।
The point of impact in each of the target was a specific building or a group of buildings. All the targets were neutralized with clinical efficiency, and the results reiterate the professionalism of the Indian Armed Forces in the planning and execution of their operations.
Namaskar. Welcome to Bharat Bright News, the English news channel, unrestricted and uncut. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. It is very commendable that the Indian Army destroyed the terrorist bases in Pakistan through Operation Sindoor. The Indian Army arranged a press conference with the Daughters of India, who became the face of Operation Sindoor. Colonel Sophia Qureshi of Vadodara from Gujarat and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, and after the Pahalgam attack, they gave a message in words to the people inside and outside the country who were divided into Hindus and Muslims, proving that this is the greatness of India, that unity lies in diversity. MLA Imran Khedawala and senior leader of Gujarat Pradesh Congress, former MLA Gyasuddin Sheikh, have said in a statement that last night the Indian Army, introducing its bravery, attacked the terrorist camps of the terrorist nation Pakistan. India has shown Pakistan that if Pakistan creates problems in India, we will enter your house and kill you. Accordingly, our Indian Army, using its technology, carried out its Operation Sindoor by attacking only the terrorist camps without harming a single citizen. The Indian Army has proved that the advanced technological weapons of the Indian Army are not less than the military power of other countries in the world. There can be no better tribute than the way the Indian Army has avenged the killing of 26 innocent civilians in Pahalgam through Operation Sindoor. He further said that now that we have started Operation Sindoor, all the hideouts of the terrorists in Pakistan should be completely eliminated. I salute the Indian people take place in Pahalgam. Innocent people were killed by asking their religion and name. There was only one person that the evil Pakistan wanted chaos to be created in the whole of India, and that India would be plunged into the communal fire of Hindus and Muslims. We especially salute our elder brothers, the Hindu brothers, who showed great restraint despite the loss of 26 innocent lives. At the same time, the Muslim brothers also organized demonstrations, rallies, and sit-in all over India against the evil Pakistans and terrorism, proving the truth that terrorism has no religion. Thus, the people of both Hindu and Muslim communities of India gave a very beautiful message by maintaining unity, goodwill, and brotherhood. It was noteworthy that for the first time we saw that the local residents of Kashmir also condemned terrorism vehemently and condemned the incident of terrorism in strong words by announcing it through microphones from all the mosques of the Kashmir Valley. If the people of Kashmir had condemned terrorism in this way earlier, then Kashmir would have become more economically prosperous and a paradise in the true sense. But it is the welcome thing that when it comes back. When Pakistan felt that now we are not getting shelter in Kashmir and the Kashmiri people are no longer supporting us, then this act was taken by the evil Pakistan to disrupt the daily bread of the Kashmiris. The Kashmiri people strongly opposed terrorism along with the people of the entire India opposed terrorism. Congress Party National President Mallikarjun Kharge ji and Rahul Gandhi ji, and we clearly tell the Indian Army and central government on behalf of the Congress Party that when it comes to nationalism or the security of the country, the Congress Party is always with the government. We want to tell the government on the behalf of 70 lakh Muslims of the Gujarat, and the Muslim community of Gujarat is also standing by the government. Now it is necessary to end terrorism. Jai